Hello and welcome to another RC Playing Guide video and part 6 in the P-47 build. I'm very lucky to be part of the Spartan Warbird group, which contains the Piers brothers, Chris and Andy. So they've helped me a number of stages through this build, and this is just another example of their input helping me here. So they advised that it'd probably be a good idea to swap out the balsa ribs around the undercarriage for ply to add for extra strengthening, and Chris helped me cut them out. So thanks to them if they're listening in. So here we are gluing those ply ribs together with doublers to increase the strength, and then getting them all laid out on the plan as a dry fit, just to make sure everything's all fit and nice and snug. Cutting out all the rest of the balsa ribs as well, and lining them all up one by one. So I wasn't using any glue here at this point. I was really just looking to make sure everything all fits nicely, and that any sanding or any extra little bits of work that needed to be done were able to be done prior to any glue being used. Once I was happy with everything, it was time to make a start gluing.
So up to this point in the build on the wing, these are all just been dry fit, so there's no glue in any of these parts. So it was more just a case of making sure everything was fit, lined up right, and that any sanding and tweaking to get everything to fit is all ready to go. So now that's done, we can get it all back apart and start applying the glue.
Okay, so that's all those parts glued together. Stay tuned for the next part where we will continue the building of the wing.
And that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up to date on all the latest videos. And if YouTube isn't just enough, follow the link tree in my profile to find and follow all my other social media platforms. Thanks, and bye for now.